Today we are going to talk about discriminant. Discriminant is a very important term. It comes in the solution of general quadratic equation. If a general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, then its solution can be given by minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is the solution of this quadratic equation. Now in this equation, b square minus 4ac, this is called discriminant. Sometimes denoted by D. This term is coined by a British mathematician, James Joseph Sylvester. He also coined the term graphs. Now, what is the use of this discriminant? It's a very important, and why it is called discriminant is this portion discriminate the various solution types. By this discriminant, you can know what kind of roots a quadratic equation is having. For example, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this is the first condition. If this is a 0, this equation is having real and equal roots. That is the solution. And if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so it's having real different roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then this one is having, we can say, no solution or no roots. We use this discriminant for the graph also. If you are drawing the graph of a quadratic, so if we say d, that is b square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, the graph will touch at one point, so it's having a one solution. If it is negative a, then it will touch at this place. So you know the shape of the graph and where it is touching. Number 2, if d is greater than 0, if d is greater than 0, then the graph will cross x-axis at 2 points. So it is having two different real roots. And if d is less than 0, then the graph will not touch x-axis. So it is having no solution. So we use this discriminant just to know the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Let me give an example to explain this. Our first example is x square minus 6x plus 9. Is equal to 0. So what kind of roots this one is having? So here we have, this is the value of a, this is the value of b, and this is the value of c. This is 1, a is 1, b is minus 6, and c is 9. So what is the value of d? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So it means it is B square is minus 6 square minus 4, A is 1 and C is 9. So that is equal to 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So what we have, B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. When it is 0, it's a real and equal solutions. So this one is having a, so this is real and equal solution. Let's find out. So x is equal to minus b, that is minus 6, plus minus b square is minus 6 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 9 over 2, a is 1. So that is equal to 6 plus minus, this is 0 over 2, so that is 3. So the solution is x is equal to 3 and 3. So this is real and equal solution, and the graph of this will be, this is 3, so this will be the graph. That's the first case. Now second case, let's take example, that is, let's take x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So here we know a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is 15, that is a negative 15. So let's find what is the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square is 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 15. So that is 60 and 4 64. So this is 64. 64 is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So it has real and different roots. So let's find out its real and different. So let's find x. So x will be minus b is minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 64 and root 64 is 8 over 2a. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 8 over 2 and minus 2 plus 8 over 2. So it shows the roots are, that is 5 and 2. So these are real roots, and if you draw the graph for this, the graph will be, this is minus 5, this is 2, so this will be the graph. Now number 3. Let me take an example where 2x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So that is b is 2 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 5. That is 5 times 2 is 10, times 4 is 40 minus 4. That is negative 36, so it is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, we can say it is having no real roots. And the solution will be x is equal to minus b, that is 2, plus minus b square minus 4ac is root 36 over 2a. If you check root minus 36 in your calculator, you will find the answer maths error. It has no solution. So it is having no solution. And if you draw the graph for this, the graph will not touch x-axis. So there is no root for that. So now you have seen how important the discriminant is. By the discriminant, we know that the various types of the solution, if the equation is whether the equation having a real roots, no roots, or the same root. It is called discriminant because it discriminate various types of solution, and that's why James Joseph Sylvester has coined this term discriminant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.